Hi, LifterLMS users. Meet AI Quiz Generator for LifterLMS, the plugin that turns a single topic into a complete published LifterLMS quiz using the AI models you already trust. But that is not the only notable feature of this extension for LifterLMS. Another AI will review and fact-check the questions created, so that will minimize the risk of any wrong question. Let me show you exactly how it works. See, I have already installed our AI Quiz Generator for LifterLMS plugin on our WordPress website. Step 1. Generate. Just type in a topic, anything from photosynthesis for grade 8 biology to advanced SQL joins. Choose how many questions you need, up to 50. Pick your question type, single choice, multiple choice, true or false, or let mixed combine them all for a richer assessment. Hit Generate and watch. In seconds, you have a complete set of quiz questions, written, structured, and ready for LifterLMS. No blank page, no writer's block, just results. Step 2. Review. You're always in control. Every question is fully editable. Tweak the wording, fix an answer, add or delete a question right inside the same screen. But here's where it gets powerful. Turn on AI as reviewer and a second AI model grades your own quiz before your students ever see it. You get an overall quality score, a clear recommendation, approve, revise, or reject, and detailed feedback on clarity, accuracy, and difficulty for every single question. It's like having an instructional designer double-check your work automatically every time. Teaching math, physics, or engineering. Just enable LaTeX support, and complex formulas render beautifully wherever your quiz appears. No broken symbols, no formatting headaches. Step 3. Publish. Set your quiz title and passing score, choose the course and lesson it belongs to, and click Publish to LifterLMS. That's it. Your quiz is live, published, and attached directly to the lesson. No manual copy-pasting into the LifterLMS quiz builder, ever. And you're never locked into one AI provider. Connect OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or Grok, whichever you already use, or whichever's cheapest that day. Test your keys with one click, and if your primary model ever fails, automatic fallback keeps your workflow moving without missing a beat. Want fresh quizzes without lifting a finger? Add a list of topics, set a schedule, and let the plugin generate and publish new quizzes automatically, daily, weekly, however you like. Your courses stay active even while you sleep. AI Quiz Generator for LifterLMS isn't just a shortcut. It's the difference between spending your week writing questions or spending it growing your course. Every day you wait is a quiz you could have already published. Click the button below, get instant access, and generate your first quiz in the next 5 minutes.